Well, good morning, everyone. Meteorologist Michael Wilhite here with Southern Indiana Weather, bringing you a quick update on the snow. I did a video last night, and I'm not going to be as comprehensive as that. Just a couple, 3 minutes here, quick update for you, just on some changes overnight. First off, it's going to be downright cold today, folks, if you're out there moving about. Upper 20s is about the highest we're going to get over a good chunk of the area today, maybe 30 for some lucky folks, but it's going to be a downright cold day, so just understand that. No travel impacts expected really today. It'll be tomorrow when you'll see that, and really overnight hours. Here's the latest future radar. There's the snow swath moving in here, taking aim right here at the area, and this won't start to move in until about into the area here around 6Z, so it's about 1 a.m. Eastern time, midnight Central time. So this is going to be a Thursday event. It's going to happen during the overnight hours here starting. It'll probably start off light here at the beginning, and it'll take a little bit to saturate the column, so maybe 2 or 3 hours before we get a lot of the snow reaching the ground. But you see, here we are. By the time you wake up at 6 a.m. Central, 7 a.m. Eastern, you got snow having come on for a pretty good little while of the overnight hours. So there's likely already a little bit of accumulation down. Certainly some negative travel impacts for your rush hour commute there on Thursday morning. And then the snow just sticks around much of the day, and it'll be light at times. It might just be flurries at times. Might have a heavier snow band work over you at times too. Really doesn't start to pull away until late that evening, as you can see from the future radar here. So trend in the data overnight has been to shift the heavier snows just a little bit towards the north. Nothing just tremendously significant with this, but you can see there are some heavier pockets now showing up in the data that weren't earlier. So you're expecting there could be some 3+ inch pockets here, even some 4+ out here if we get into a heavier swath. Heavier bands just sort of train over the same area. This is the experimental 3-kilometer NAM. If we just go to the 4-kilometer NAM, you can see it's an even narrower on its focus, but it does have a heavier band. Pretty close down here to the Ohio River. The global models paint a little bit of a broader brush, but you can see the potential there really from 1 to 2, even up to 3 inches around the area. A little bit lighter here on the Canadian, but overall, if you take everything, I still think my forecast that I issued last night is on track, 1 to 2 inches across the area with locally 3 inches. If the trend in the data does continue and we see those pockets, the potential for those pockets of snow to increase, I may need to up this to 1 to 3 inches and locally 4 inches, and I may do that this afternoon, but I want the morning data to roll in first before I see that. Looking at the forecast discussions from the National Weather Service this morning, they're probably going to issue some winter weather advisories later on today, so do be expecting that, and I'll have those for you on page so that you'll be able to see that. So be sure to follow me on all my social media accounts, folks. Facebook.com/Southern Indiana Weather. Follow me on Twitter for even more coverage as well. I'm at Southern INWX on Twitter. And of course, I'll keep you updated throughout the day. That's it for this quick little update, folks. Look for more updates here throughout the day as we go on.